Kasi po, defending champion po yung National University Candidates for Girls Volleyball Team for Division 1. So, of course, this is a title defense for us. Two teams yung ending namin this year. So, as regards yung question is regarding preparation, yung Division 1 team namin, Division 2 teams, separate yung training programs. Yun lang yung pinaka namin. And excited din talaga ako mag-learn this season. Besides the fact that we want to defend our title. Thank you.
Next.
So yun po, since this is our first time po, so syempre, for us po, a young team and rebuilding team, so we stick to our plans lang po. System preparation, yun po, and we will take this opportunity po to showcase our talents po, and yun po.
Yung goal namin this time, hindi naman siya nagbago katulad ng last year namin. So, mas na-focus na kami siguro na naging weakness namin no last year na season.
Alright, good afternoon. The Peter Academy is from Laguna po. So it's a privilege and good opportunity for us po na makasali dito sa very prestigious event. And we are very thankful to makarating man na kayo kami dito sa Rebound stage. Yun na po yung muna for this year na kasali, maka-experience and the kids to have a good, fun event for everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon po. As one of the province school po, gusto na din namin na showcase na yung talent ng mga bata. At kasi lalo na po sa mga bago ng mga players, para makapag-expose sila sa ganitong klaseng magandang liga.
Sa DLSC. Ikaw naman.
First and foremost, so since in any competition, talaga namang may nananalo at may natatalo. Ang bigat kasi nung sinimulan ng coach ng NU yung ranking kagad yung sila. Diba? But we also believe in the mission of Shakey's and Aces to give proper exposure for our players. So we are very, very grateful that we are continuously being asked to join. And yun po ang pinaka-main goal ng De La Salle Santiago Super. To give proper exposure to our players. Yung standing or being in the top four, for us, syempre, lahat naman ng teams gusto manalo. But, syempre, mabibiyayaan lang yung talagang nandun sa pwestong yun. But being in such a league is already a privilege on our part. So, yun lang po. Pero yung taga-area, marami pong plano yan.
Hello, good afternoon po. Same naman din po sa mga binanggit po yung mga coaches po natin. Siguro po sa amin po is na mas-challenge po tayo ngayon team namin. Kasi marami po bagong teams na kasama po sa Division 2. So, bagong teams, bagong faces, and different kind of game plan po ang makikita po namin. So, big challenge din po. So, mas maganda po exposure din po sa mga players po natin.
That's right.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think I'm from Everest International Academy, and as a coach, since we're a rebuilding team this year, I lost 5 seniors last year. We're in Division 2. I think my main goal is for player experience. Not just if we have a chance to win, we'll take it. But for me, the most important aspect of teaching young kids is the mental toughness. That's what I want to see. I want to see also growth, maturity in terms of decision making, not just inside of volleyball, but also outside. Yun ang yung goal ko, to have character development and maturity. Gain more experience and confidence as well. Thank you.
Good afternoon po.
It's actually our second time joining this tournament. So, same as last year, yung goal namin. Mabigyan ng exposures yung mga bata. And then, of course, para ma-showcase din nila yung talent nila. So, same as the other team, magandang experience for the girls.
Next.
Hello po, good afternoon. Ang goal po ng Better Academy is mag-progress po kami dun sa finish namin last season or last year. Totally, ang goal po namin ngayon is sana makapasok po kami ng quarter finals. And maka-experience po kami ng other teams na mas malalakas at mas maganda po yung system. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon po, from EAC po. Since Final Four po kami last season, medyo challenging po ngayon kasi rebuilding din po kami ngayon kasi marami na po graduate. Pero ina-try pa rin po namin makapasok yun. Yun lang po.
Good afternoon po from Immaculada Concepcion College. First time po ng mga bata na maglalaro din sa Shakey's, and actually last po yata yung team namin sa na nakapasok na nagkaroon ng slot for the Division 1. And ayun nga po, hindi namin sasayangin yung pagkakataon, lalo na ako para sa mga bata, since this is the very first time that I am going to handle a team as a head coach. And gagawin namin maganda yung kalalabasan din, and I will make sure na magiging maganda rin yung kalalabasan ng ilalaro ng mga bata kasi for now, pinaghahandaan talaga namin yung laro na hindi masasayang yung opportunity na may expose natin yung mga bata and matutulungan natin in the near future. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, on behalf of Hakonan Typhoon, of course, since we only had a silver finish last year, so we want to redeem ourselves. We have a lot of exposures. We're also preparing for other pambansa. And it's also the first time of our aspirants team to join the Division 2. So this will be a good avenue for the 16-month team to be exposed, to be competing with the other teams, mostly from Metro Manila. So isa po siyang magandang opportunity na makita niyo rin po kung paano po yung aspirants team in Holland. And on behalf of San Beda University, it's our first time to join Division 2. We'd like to expose our players. This is a very young team. It's just 2 years pa lang po yung program, and I think joining Shakey's Jeever is a good avenue for the team to be more exposed and to gain more experience and prepare them to the bigger competition and do some other things. Thank you.
Next.